Hi everyone, and welcome back to Trade Precision. This is Giles here. It's Monday, August 8th, and it's just about like 8:45 Eastern Time, and I've got up there an order already on crude oil at 82.87. I'm getting down close, but I've got 4 ticks away. And you can see I've got my gold chart up also. Gold's up over $1,700, and I've got my euro chart too. Those are the three that I'm primarily going to concentrate on today, but we'll see what happens. And it kind of looks like it touched off my price, possibly. They were one tick away from our entry price. Let's see what happens here. I said this is even before the open. This demonstration of the trade that's before, and then we just got filled on it. Okay, so this is a demonstration of something that we actually took in the room today, and this is just one way of trading it. I'll show you a couple others, but here we go. And taking heat right away, and take 7 ticks of heat, and then right back up to our entry price practically. We're down at the low of the day, and looking to go long, and there we got filled already on the first. Got the first one plus 10 already, and the second one we're trailing, and we're trying to get plus 20 on the second. But either way, right now we'll get plus 1 if it comes all the way back and touches my stop. And now it's gone up higher, so we're even better than that. Wow, we'll be plus 3 if it gets all the way up there. So wow, we'll make about $25 or something like that. $20. And here it goes up. We're getting close. We're just like a few ticks away there. We're 1 tick away. 1 tick. It just missed our 20 on this one. I look for something always right around the open of the crude oil, and that's kind of like why I'm not pushing this thing up a little bit, because I get a little concerned with something about around that time. So if you want to come in and join us for the free trial, you might see something happen. Usually right around. This is a special case that we got this one before 9 o'clock, but we could get them any time. And there we got filled on the second, so we got plus 10 and plus 20, and it's not even 9 o'clock in the morning. And the markets could be crazy. They were crazy most of last week. They could be really nuts again today. So not a bad way to start the day, huh, everyone? That's a little later in the day. It's about 10:15, and we're looking for resistance on gold. That's what we do in Trade Precision. We look for support and resistance levels. We post them, and this one we posted there, and we're filled already. We're filled on it, and things are moving real fast in these markets. We've got a 12-tick stop, and there I got filled on the first one already. And I've got my second one down. I'm trailing it, and I'm going to try to get my my profit target. I'm looking there, possibly there, but like I don't know. I don't think that's quite right. Try to get all the way down to the swing low. I think I'm going to try to get down to 1702. If I do that, it'd be over 60 ticks. Which would be a great start to the day. So we'll see what it does now. And a Trade Precision live calls room, we offer a 5-day free trial. And what we're going to be doing now, I'll get this down to 1702 area, 1702. Yeah, okay. We're going to be opening at 8:45. And looking for live calls between 8:45 and 11. We're going to take time off from 11 to 1, and then we're going to come back 1 to 1:30. Unless we've had a very good morning, we're not going to push it. A lot of people there's a lot of concentration. It's not a hard thing to do, but there's a lot of concentration involved in doing what we do. So we want to really be on our toes, especially because of the fact that we're looking at multiple markets. And with that, we're going to be we just want to be really on top of it. And the way the markets were last week, it was an extremely difficult week because of all the news. And with the ES opening, I thought there would be more movement, and there still could be by the end of the day today. So why push it too much? We've got something that's pretty good, not bad now. We've got 30 ticks on this thing already. So we're not gonna push too hard. And now with this being the second successful trade, we're probably going to close up right after this trade finishes out. So it looks like you're all going to have to come early from now on. If we don't hit, then we'll come back at 1 o'clock. We'll recap always before we leave. If you have any questions at all, you feel free to ask them. And if you want more action, that's possible. There are more levels for the course of the day. The easy answer to that is to own the system. We'll be more than happy to teach it to you, and you can own the system, and you can look for calls all day long then. And you'll see it's a very simple methodology. It decodes the chart. We don't use any indicators. We don't have any special software. We just look at the chart. And like I said, right now we're running with a 12-tick stop, and I hope that that's sufficient this week. The things don't work every trade. You're not going to be profitable every day, but over the long run, and Mario has been doing this over 15 years. The same system, it works over and over and over again. And I think that's just what we got to look for, that it's going to keep on working over and over and over again. And over the long run, you should be successful at this. So we've given this thing some time now, and we've gotten close, but we're not quite there yet. We're not quite down to our 60-some ticks. We're almost at 50 right now. We're like 48 ticks right there. And I guess we've got now the thing has gone 50 ticks. It's getting close. Oh, we missed it by 7 ticks right there. So let's see. We'll be open again tomorrow and every day this week from 8:45. Like I said, we'll be making calls in the room until 11. There was a lot of economic activity or craziness last week, and if we're going to have that again this week, we're going to be very, very careful with the calls that we make. But if we get some, we're not afraid to make them. But we're looking for the really, be on our toes the whole time. If we have to cancel, a call, we'll cancel a call. It's heading back towards. I got 4 ticks away from my stop out price. This is just another method, like trailing a stop. So there's no right or wrong way on how to do this. We're 1 tick away, 2 ticks away right now, 1 tick away. Am I going to get lucky here or not? There's no right or wrong way. Picking the targets is really quite a hard thing to do. And it depends a lot on what the type of trader you are, and whether capital appreciation or capital preservation or what's more important to you. So you just got to keep looking at it. What works best for you, may not work for the next guy in the room. We're 1 tick away again. Oh, it's bouncing off our price. We're gonna wow. I thought sure it was going to hit our price there. Maybe we will get lucky, and maybe this thing will head back down. Nope, get stopped out. Well, that's it for today, everyone. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. I'll be here, or you can email me, hit me on Skype, and we look forward to working with you. Hey, everybody, have a great night, and we'll look for you in the Trade Precision live calls room tomorrow.